If you want your team to collaborate faster, stay aligned, and work in one organized place, then learning how to properly share a ClickUp space is absolutely essential. In this guide, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can share your workspace confidently without messing up permissions or exposing sensitive info. Let's get started. Before anything else, head over to the ClickUp website and log in using your email and password. Make sure everything's typed correctly. And if you're managing a shared workspace, it's always smart to use a strong, secure password. Once you sign in, give ClickUp a moment to load your workspace. This is the central place where all your projects, tasks, chats, and dashboards live, so it may take a second depending on your internet speed. Now, once your ClickUp home screen appears, navigate to the home section or the main sidebar and locate the specific space you want to share. Spaces in ClickUp work like departments or categories. They help keep projects, lists, and teams neatly separated and organized. After selecting the space, look toward the top right area of your screen and click the Share button. In most cases, it looks like a small person icon with a plus sign. This opens the full sharing menu where you can decide exactly who gets access. One of the easiest ways to share a space is by copying the unique space link. Just click the copy icon and ClickUp instantly places the link on your clipboard. From there, you can paste and send it through email, Slack, WhatsApp, basically anywhere your team communicates. But before you hit send, make sure your permissions are set correctly. ClickUp lets you choose whether people can edit everything or only view the content. If you're working with clients or external partners, view only is usually the safer option. If it's your internal team, giving edit access helps keep collaboration fast and efficient. And that's it. Simple, fast, and secure. Sharing a ClickUp space. The right way ensures your workflow stays organized and your team stays productive. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a full ClickUp workspace setup guide next. Thanks for watching.